As a result of continuous investment over the past 5 years, Lion Engineering Services has one of the most comprehensive and state-of-the-art machine shops in the UK dedicated to the oil industry. General machines include Mazak 2 and 3 axis lathes, complete with live tooling, 4 and 5 axis milling centres, and 5 axis Integrex mill turn machines. Components up to 3 metres in length and up to 1 metre in diameter can be readily accommodated. Our systems and processes, supported by our experienced workforce, are equally capable of undertaking prototype machining, also small batch and serial production. We have the skills and facilities to manufacture complex components in all grades of low alloy steels and alloys, including exotic materials such as beryllium copper and Inconel, always working to the highest industry standards of precision and quality assurance. Our dedicated team of engineers can provide advice and support in the design and material selection of engineered components, taking the component directly from computerized generated design output to a finished product, at all times working closely with clients to meet specifications.